What are the benefits of avocados sexually? Do you have any idea? Comment down below. Where do avocados get their name? And is it sexual? Stay tuned and let's talk about this. Welcome to Eat Like a Champion. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, mag-subscribe na and hit the notification bell down below. We are already aware that avocados are great for our health in several ways. We have seen that they are important for your heart, blood circulation, brain functions, your shape, gout, and your overall physical and psychological well-being. Plus, they are incredibly delicious, making them hugely beneficial for your belly. Since avocados are so beneficial in so many ways, it's time to ask what the benefits of avocado sexually are. Some foods are ideal for better sex life. For example, oysters, strawberries, ginger, truffles. The list goes on and on. So, how are avocados beneficial sexually? Number 1, vitamin B9. Some of the many benefits of avocados sexually lie in the abundance of vitamin B9. The main function of this vitamin B9 is to help your body transform carbohydrates or fat into glucose or fuel, which means that it helps your body produce more energy. Energy is essential for better sex performance. And luckily, avocados have 2 B vitamins. Number 2, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 balances hormones for both men and women. This vitamin is also known to maintain normal levels of estrogen in women. As for men, vitamin B6 controls testosterone levels, has been shown to increase levels of sperm count, and it is believed to help with erectile dysfunction in cases in which the problem is associated with clogged arteries of diabetes. Number 3, potassium. Potassium, our last mentioned ingredient in avocados for improved sex life, is incredibly relevant. The role of potassium in sexual behavior has proved that a brain chemical that heightens alertness and mediates stress, called norepinephrine, blocks potassium from exciting brain cells. Once potassium ions are trapped in the cells fire pulses of electrical activity that augment your sexual desire. Let's not forget that potassium is also great for your muscles. Sex is one of the greatest forms of exercise, so you will undoubtedly want and need your muscles to work efficiently. Now that the benefits of avocado sexually have become clear, make sure to include avocado in your daily diet and don't forget the fruit when preparing a romantic dinner. You can make an amazing meal with all the right vitamins to win their heart through their stomach and get them ready for a long fun night all together. Where do avocados get their name? Avocado actually comes from a word meaning testicle, When the Aztecs discovered the avocado in 500 BC, they named it Huacatl, which translates to testicle. It is likely that the texture, shape, and size of the fruit, as well as the way it grows in pairs, inspired the name of the avocado. It is believed that the Aztecs decided on this name for two reasons, the most obvious being their rounded, teardrop shape. The second is that the Aztecs believed that avocados contain aphrodisiac qualities, meaning that eating them enhances sexual desire.